What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Andrew Noble, the host of the channel, and this is going to be a really fun one. I just want to take a moment and invite you guys all to day one of garage makeover slash remodel. And I'm really excited to get this started. You guys have already started brainstorming some of the ideas that I've been wanting to do and wanting to accomplish. As you can see, it's pretty standard. Got some white cabinets here. Garage flooring does have some really old epoxy spackle. As you can see, it has seen better days here. It's starting to come up in places. So going to start with the cabinets. Not going to be changing the cabinets out. I'm just going to be painting them a different color. And then I have flooring on the way. I'm really excited about the flooring, you guys, because it's going to be really cool. The design is going to be something that you rarely see out there, and I'm really excited to get this started. Now, like I said, day one, I'm going to start painting these cabinets over here, and I already have the color picked out, and you guys will see that later in the video. I'm not going to let you guys know ahead of time any secrets on what colors I'm going to be painting the garage or the cabinets, but I will let you in on some of the ideas that I have. So number one, cabinets. Number two, garage flooring. And number three is going to take some work, and let me go over that and show you what actually needs to be done in order to get this completed. So as you can see, like I mentioned, garage cabinets already installed. They are standard size. I believe they're 4 foot each cabinet here, except for this last one. It's a 2-footer, and this one buried over here in the back. This one is shorter. I believe it's like a 3.5 foot. So a couple of things that need to be done. I need to take this one off to get that one out, and I need to take that one off and move it over here. So I'm going to be getting rid of basically half this station here. I'm going to put the single cabinet right there, and this other double cabinet is going to go right next to it. So all of this right here needs to be gone. I'm going to go ahead and take a saw and cut it off right here, and then remove this, and then transfer the cabinets over to this section here. Today's episode is just going to be me choosing a color and getting it on the cabinets, and then of course you guys are going to see more of the garage update as this build series gets going. So first things first, I have a couple of old paint colors that we've done in the interior of the house. Just some old paint cans sitting here. And I went through and I think I picked 2 colors that I really like and would look good on the cabinet. As you can see here, it's a little bit dark gray, and this one is the same color but just a little bit lighter. As you can see, we've already used this one. I really like that color. So what I'm going to do is do a test paint on one of these cabinets over here, probably this first cabinet here, because like I mentioned earlier, this one's going to be moved and those ones are going to be moved. So I'll probably start right here, get some paint on the door, and then just see what it looks like and decide if that's something that I want to go ahead and paint the rest with. But a darker gray color with the theme that I'm going with the garage is going to look really, really good. Now, I haven't mentioned the reason why I need to move these 2 cabinets yet. That'll be in another episode, so you'll definitely have to stay tuned to the garage makeover updates, and then you will be able to see why I need to get those moved. But let's get that paint up on the cabinets. So first thing I need to do is get these taken off, which is going to be really easy. It's just 2 screws, one here and one there. And all right, there is the first one, and there is number 2. And I've already actually wiped down all the cabinets. They were a little dusty, so I just took some water, sprayed it on, and wiped down everything. But let's get that first coat of paint on this cabinet, see what it looks like. I think the first color that I'm gonna try is going to be this Sherwin-Williams. It's a custom color and it's called Whale Gray. And like I said, it's something that I've had in my spare set of paints for a really long time, and I really like this color. I painted it on my banister in the house, so it's a really cool looking gray color. Again, like I said, it's going to be going with the theme of the garage. It's going to match the colors that I chose, so let's go ahead and get this put on. I'm not too concerned with the garage floors because, like I said, I plan on redoing the floors. So as far as dropping paint, I'm not that concerned. So I'm not going to put down any plastic on the garage floor. Let's see if this paint is still actually even any good, because last time I used it was 2016. What was that, 8 years ago? Yeah, I see a little crusty. It's a little bit crusty, but it should be okay. This paint can is actually almost full. I'm really hoping I have enough in here to cover the cabinets. I don't know if I do, but if not, I'll just make a run to Sherwin-Williams and that should be okay. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's get our roll all rolled in there. Let's go. Not too bad, but I can already definitely tell it's gonna need a couple of coats to cover up that white. But like I said, not too bad. already sweating. Spring is definitely started. One door down, 11 more to go. Easy work. Nothing a little elbow grease can't fix. Door 2, baby, let's go. Getting really good at this. I should be a pro. All right, before I lose any more sunlight, the garage cabinets are complete, painted all gray. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how that turned out. I do have to paint a little bit in the middle, but I'm gonna wait for the paint to dry. As you can see, it's still a little wet over here. And I went ahead and decided to paint that door. I'm still gonna move that cabinet over here, but I painted it for the time being. And that transformation is really cool. Thank you for tuning in to day 1 of the garage update, the garage remodel update. Can't wait to show you guys what else we have in store. To show you guys a little bit of a before. Here we go. Here's a before view of how that garage is. And I can't wait, you guys. I cannot wait to get this squared away. Thank you for tuning in to this episode. Please give it a big thumbs up and follow the build on the garage. I can't wait to get it all out there. And as always, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out. I know it's annoying to ask, but it does help my channel out quite a bit. Check out my social pages. Andrew Noble Official on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Always remember, you are the maker of your own storage. Don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.